Magnetic bullets, bullet magnet separator, are powerful and efficient tools used to remove ferrous metal contamination from dry, granular, or powdered products. They are commonly employed in industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals to ensure product purity and quality. The high magnetic strength of these bullet magnets allows them to attract and hold even the smallest ferrous metal particles, guaranteeing that your products remain free from contamination. Magnetic bullet separators are easy to install and maintain, fitting seamlessly into existing pipelines with minimal disruption to your production process. Additionally, they are made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Cleaning the magnetic cone is simple, as it can be easily wiped down with a glove or cloth. Sinoneo Magnets offers a range of optional features for magnetic bullets, including different housing materials, surface finishing options, magnetic force strengths, maximum working temperatures, and installation types. Customization options are also available to meet your specific design or specification needs. Sinoneo Magnets is dedicated to providing high-quality magnetic bullet separators, competitive pricing, and fast turnaround times. Contact us at email, sales@sinoneo.com today, or visit our website, www.sinoneo.com, to learn more about how we can help you protect your products and equipment with their magnetic separation solutions.